with me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now you need to click on battery over here and choose advanced settings. Then click on this switcher next to high performance mode and tap on OK in the pop-up. As you can see, high performance is now on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!